Now we were going to eat the steamed rice pancake. Now we are going.
Everyone, my name is Pauline from France, and this is Tường Vy and Lisa, as you know.
Hi.
So we are from YouTube channel Đi Làm Với Bố, and today we all take Pauline to walk around the old quarter for trying different kind of food and drink in few hours. And I think the first day of Pauline will be very amazing. Let's follow our journey today.
It's so yummy.
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Coffee here, you love it or not?
I really loved it. Very sweet. I didn't expect that, to be honest.
Okay.
But
First time trying.
yeah, first time trying, exactly.
You say yummy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to move to the next plate that we are going to try
Meat
the
salad.
beef
Beef salad.
beef salad. Okay, it will be
let's
lovely
try
too.
it.
Yeah. This is a place that we going to stop and try. Oh, Pauline, tell me about the experience here in this place. You like it or not?
Yes, I really appreciate it. And the beef salad is just amazing. Very light, very sweet, very perfect.
Okay,
In
thank
the
you.
perfect company.
Thank you so much. What about V? You love it or not?
Yeah, I love it. It's very delicious and yummy.
Okay, Lisa, you like it? Are you sure?
I eat all.
Have you ever tried that before? Yeah. You can sit there. Here. This is the next plate that we are trying. Fish cake. But I forgot to make the video from the beginning. Yeah, luckily she's reminding. So, we can feel the fish here. Yeah. And then the pork, the dill, mushroom, and rice outside. Yeah. Yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy. Okay, good. About the fish cake, that you love it or not? Pauline, first.
Yeah, it was amazing fish cake. First time I tried, and very delicious, tasty, and perfect.
Perfect. Yes. Lisa, you like it or not?
I like it.
You like it. Yes. And what about you?
It's so yummy.
And now it's me. I love it.
And now we will go into the
The what?
bánh mì shop.
Want the cucumber?
In the bread shop here, and how about the bread taste?
Very yummy. Like everything I tasted until here. Very flavored, and the sauce is spicy, it's perfect.
Okay.
So yeah,
So
thank you.
you love it. Thank you. Sam. Let's go. Let's cross. The next place that we are going to stop for trying is fried pancake. Fried pancake.
Pancake.
Yes.
Oh, I've never tried this.
Yes.
You like it?
And
Yes.
it's very crispy and nice also.
Oh, let's try it.
This is number 22 hàng Bộ. Let's try it.
So, tell me.
Very
Crispy and yummy. But you need to put in the sauce. Yes, better.
Because
Easier. I can do it with my hands too.
okay. Thanks.
yeah, easier, right?
Easier using your hands.
It's too difficult for me.
Yes, chopstick is difficult for her because she's not used to using that.
Cheers.
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 Inside they have a bit of pork and mushroom, and outside that's a wheat, and they fry it. That's we call dumpling.
Good.
Yeah.
Yummy. Yummy. Very.
Pancake. You see, this is egg with rice powder. They fry it, so that's why it has yellow. Inside they have some sprout, beef, and shrimp.
Okay.
And what you need to do is get this rice paper
Okay.
and then put some mint, some lettuce, and hit one piece of that, and then roll. You break the cake and then you roll it, and then dip in the sauce and try it. Okay, let's do it.
Break it. Break it.
Yes.
Break it. Wow, crispy.
Very.
Hot, 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 hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Oh wow. Okay. That's why your English is very, very well.
Yeah. Daddy, this is a spring roll.
Yes, it is. You make like a spring roll. Yeah, that's a good one.
I feel very full as well. And what about you? I feel big. I feel very good.
Good. Very small and tiny.
Wow.
Take a photo or video to compare. Like the other one's so big and this one's so small. See it? The tree.
The 3 days.
Oh yeah. Ôi giời ơi.
Oh, Zion.
Yes. Delicious. Yes. Is it what that I want to say? Ôi giời ơi. So tasty. Ngon không? Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
This is crispy.
Crispy eel.
Yeah,
Eel.
crispy eel.
Yeah, the eel.
This cucumber.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone knows.
Cucumber.
You want the
That noodle they call
Lisa.
vermicelli.
You want
The glass noodle. Vermicelli. Okay.
vermicelli?
Did you say thank you?
Vermicelli.
When I mentioned about the eel, you don't really think that is like this way making, right?
No, but I don't really know how it is. I have to check.
Okay.
What do you think about the food, Daddy?
I love it. That's why I take people here. And today I take Pauline and all of you here. Look, this is all of them. I finished. So
Yeah.
you mean the food, how tasty it is. Huh? Love it.
Yeah, I love it too. Now we were going to eat the steamed rice pancake. Now we are going. Wow.
Again? Do this in the middle.
She tried to learn that such a long time.
This one.
She was asking why people can do it, but she can't. Yeah.
Try with this one. Look. Not this one. This one. This one.
This is the steamed rice pancake. It looks delicious.
Okay.
And here, eat with the sauce.
Here, eat with the sauce.
And then you get the chopstick and put it in the bowl and try it. Lisa doesn't eat it, I think. She doesn't like it. Lisa, let's put it in the sauce and try it.
Mà cái này các bạn này hành hết rồi.
Vẫn yummy à? I think you say you are full already. You can still eat that? So Lisa say again. You say I have.
I have room for ice cream.
You still have rooms for ice cream. Oh, today she can speak the longest sentence.
Oh.
Yeah, like she say today I have rooms for ice cream. At home she say short word. only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't know. You don't know. You don't know.
Just taking picture.
Cheers.
Oh, wait. Cheers.
What do you say?
Me too.
No more rooms.
Me too.
No more rooms.
No more. Yes.
Among all the kind of food today, which kind of food that you remember or you like the most? Even the drink also.
Yeah, I think so this sticky rice ice cream is very nice,
Okay.
but the fish cake fish cake was really nice. I really appreciate it.
Okay.
Yeah, I could feel all different smell and flavor, taste, fish, mushroom.
Okay. So you love that a lot.
Yes,
Okay, thank
yeah.
you. But the rest also nice for you, right?
Yes, definitely. All of it was very nice. It's difficult to choose because it's different type.
Yeah, different.
So it's very, very difficult. But also the first one, the egg coffee.
Okay.
Very nice experience. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The end of our video today because now we are back to the hotel already. I hope that you guys all enjoying the trip with us.
Yes.
All right. So
Thank
don't
you
forget.
So much.
Don't
It was
forget.
Amazing.
Thank you very much. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.